Guys, it's Ebony, and today, this video will be a lot of senior stuff that's going on. Y'all know that I did the other senior stuff and did a chat with me, chit chat thing, but today I'm gonna show y'all. Well, today is Wednesday, and I'm gonna show y'all some things that happened on Sunday. So Sunday, let's go back to the week. Let's go back to the last week. Last week we got our cap and gowns, and I have someone that goes to my church that does pictures. He does photography, so I asked him could he do my pictures, cause I wanted to support him and everything. So he said, "Yeah, we can do it." He said we'll do it after church on Sunday. So Sunday comes. And we took some cap and gown pictures, and I think I took some casuals, and yeah, that's it. We took a few casuals, but mostly cap and gown. So I'm gonna show y'all little clips of it, and after that, I will show y'all the next in the next 2 days, which is Friday. I'll be showing y'all me signing with the college that I'm going to. First, I'm gonna start off with a community college because they got what I want, nursing and everything, so I'll be going there. And then I will be going to a William Carey, so I'll be going there after. I thought about going to William Carey first, and then I was like, let me just go ahead and just do Jones right now because that's what it's fine. But so I'll be going to that college, and I will be going to William Carey afterwards. There's no reason. It's just thing is I started to do the work before, like all the info and everything. Like I did that earlier on this year. Well, technically last year. And I didn't feel like doing all the other stuff again because I thought about William Carey in like February, and I was like, I'll just go after because they have a good nursing school too. So I'll be going to Jones and then William Carey. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm planning to be in both. And I already auditioned and I'm in. I got accepted to both of them. Well, a lot of colleges, but those are the ones I was looking at. Other colleges. But yes, so that's what I'll be doing. And then I'm just going to show y'all the clips of me taking pictures and then have some clips of me signing. Yeah. And y'all, I started my first bank account today. And I went by myself. Ebony did it. Y'all, I'm starting to progress here a little bit. Thanking the Lord Jesus Christ for helping me, because without him, I wouldn't be nowhere. Nowhere at all. So I started my first bank account. It's a student account thing. And I've already started with that saxophone with the y'all know about credit and everything. I'm starting my credit. I'm trying to get ready for life right now. So yeah, that's the life update. And I will be showing y'all the videos and pictures that I took. And I will be showing y'all signing later. So yeah.
When you sit down, though, it buckles up, making things too big up in here. So that means I don't know. Sit down.
I think I use my hand. Yeah, I'm saying.
Hey guys, as y'all see, I'm in the same shirt. I think it's the same shirt that I had on for my other pictures. So, but it's washed and everything, so I'm wearing this shirt plus a cheetah print skirt. Let me show y'all. And then I didn't put any makeup on, just did my lips stuff, and everything else is different because and later on I'm gonna put lip gloss on this to make it look pretty. So I'm wearing this. That's what I'm wearing. So yes, I don't know if my mom's gonna be at the video, but I know I have pictures. So after that, that's it. We gotta go to. Alright guys, so I'm back from work and everything, and I'm about to try this thing on TikTok. Ooh. But it's called Nature's Cereal. You use blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, pomegranates, strawberries, and coconut water. So I will be using this. I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, let me get a cup. Alright, I got my cup. And you need ice, I forgot. Okay, so make sure you wash. Y'all, my head's itching, but make sure you wash your stuff. I might show my parents' reaction, brother's reaction, but I'm gonna wash these, and I'll be back after I wash them. Okay, let me show y'all. So far, I have some raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, and I'm gonna put some pomegranates in there. So, okay, so we have the cup. First thing I'm gonna do is put some blackberries in there. Make sure you wash the fruits too. And you wanna cut up your strawberries, so I'm about to cut them up. I'll just show y'all me cutting them up like this. Boom. 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 All right. Then I'm gonna put some raspberries in there and some ice. I'm gonna put 2 things of ice right now. And then I'm gonna put some blueberries in there. Show y'all blueberries. More raspberries. Cut this other strawberry up. So I'm gonna cut it in half like that and cut it like this. And put them cut up in here because I want to show y'all me cutting them. All right. Then we're gonna put some pomegranates in there. Make sure, if you don't want strawberries in it, some people don't put strawberries in it, or blackberries. I just wanted to do, because some of them had it on there. But I'm gonna cut the strawberry up a little bit more and put it in there. Okay. Then we're gonna put some more ice in there. I'm doing little ice cubes, but that one was a big one. So this is how it looks. Then I'm gonna shake this up. And we pour this in there. I think that's enough coconut water. And I really don't like coconuts like, well, actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I don't like coconuts like that, so yeah. But we're about to try this. And I'm gonna end up putting all this stuff back. This, I got this one. But I'm gonna mix it up. First, I gotta put it on Snapchat, you know. Healthy. And y'all, if this is really good, I'm gonna use this for college. Usually when you go to college, you usually gain a little weight. I'm trying to prevent that, and I want to go to the gym because the place I'm going to has a gym and everything. Got yoga, but I don't think I'm gonna do yoga. But I'm mixing it all up, making sure the ice makes it cold enough, even though the fruits are cold. It looks so weird. But I'm about to put it on Snapchat, okay? I'll be back. Try it. Looks so weird, man. This coconut. It's pretty good, but it like has a weird taste. Guess I'm not used to it. The pomegranates are crunchy. But you know what? I will be eating this in my dorm. The pomegranates bring it out. Pretty good. Y'all don't mind my face. My face looks so weird. I seen Lizzo do this, and she didn't like it. She spit it out. But she might have didn't have all like the ingredients that I used. Cause some people don't use blackberries and some people don't use strawberries. But it's pretty good. I definitely recommend this. And I can't really taste the coconut water. You just taste the fruits. But it's good. You guys should try it. Mama's done with it. But I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Well, I don't know. I don't know if this is the end because I might get my parents and brother to try it. My mom's going to get her nails done. I'm going to wait until graduation to get mine done. But it's good. I'll be back. What's up, you guys? Now my brother and my mom's going to try this nature cereal.
A piece of the berry that we got.
Yeah. It said they say make sure you put pomegranates with it.
We got pomegranates, raspberry. You gotta put it all together. You got just strawberry. You gotta get it all. Every one of them.
I really got
Pomegranates. Okay. You got everything. You got blueberries. Or you want one of mine?
CJ got blueberries in his.
He said he don't have it. What he missed? He got everything.
I ain't got no blueberries.
Oh, hold on. Okay, guys. Let's try it.
It's too much to eat at one time, ain't it? Well.
3, 2, 1, go. a weird texture.
It's like kiwi.
It does have that kiwi. It's a can't talk.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Tastes like
CJ likes it. Trying to act like he didn't like it.
So what we eat it one by one?
It's just gonna taste one by one. I think the coconut water throws it off for
It's
sometimes.
a sweet and sour taste.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah,
CJ likes
you
it.
eat this every day? You eat cereal every day?
It's weird. All right, guys, say goodbye to them. Look at CJ's face. CJ made the same face I made when I first tried it. All right, guys. Now my dad's gonna try this.
Hello?
Dad likes
He
it.
like it. He likes it.
Huh?
It's not so bad after all.
Pretty good.
What's up, you guys? It's Ebony, and it's the next day, and I just went to sleep after, and I forgot to do an outro, so I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for always watching the video if you do, and commenting, and like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.